guys, welcome to Diecast, and in today's video I will be reviewing the 2003 JGTC GT500 Calsonic Skyline number 12, and this is the round 8 winner in that series in Suzuka circuit. So I'm going to show you around the box, and this is a sealed body shell. So I'm gonna do a back-to-back Calsonic. I know the last episode was a Calsonic, so might as well do this one as well. I do have more, but don't worry, I won't overwhelm you with just Calsonic livery Nissans here. Just decided to do a back-to-back. Yeah, this is a very nice piece. I know it's a sealed body, but you'll see all the details, all the highlights on everything. It's a very nice car. Alright, let's open up the box here. If I can find my pick. Let's see if I can get away with this guy. A little bit, yeah, that worked out. My pick somewhere around here. I'm not sure where it is though. Interestingly, I don't have it with me. But yeah, like as I said, anything works. Like this is not the most ideal. It's not flat, but I'm not ruining any creases or anything like that, and I'm slowly opening from the inside, pushing outward like that, and using the edges leverage, and there's no damages or creases on the box to preserve everything around it. And I just use this on the side to hold it and this to pull, and it just comes out all the time. And this is secured with 4 screws underneath. Okay, so now I have all those screws removed from the frame. First of all, very nice color. You got the nice blue and white livery that they're famous for. And the only thing that is different would be that yellow visor just on top there by the windshield. And for the R34, very aggressive wide body kit here. So as you can see, we have this carbon fiber-esque side spoiler here. We also have the exhausts right there. If I could zoom in for you. Yeah, so one exhaust right there, and if we look on the other side, exhaust is right there as well. Very nice livery. It's very simple, very plain, and this is why a lot of people, as soon as they see this, it's like, oh, I've had that car in Gran Turismo or something like that, or I've seen that on a YouTube video or something. So this car definitely stands out. If they say like simplicity is the best, this is how I would recognize this car. I just love it. It's so simple yet so aggressive, and yeah, it's just an amazing car. So lots of nice detail. Before I get to the other side, before I get ahead of myself, so we do have these nice vents here. They are through and through vents. We do have some pieces that are separate, like the door handles. I like that. There are these here, I believe, for fuel, I would assume. I do like this effect here. I'm not sure if it's a decal or looks like a decal, but it's very, very nicely done. The separate piece on the side splitters here. And then you can't miss, like, I just want to show you guys how wide that is. Like, you can see this is the factory door panel here, right here. Let me zoom in. So I can zoom in. Yeah, so that's the door. And this is the extra width that it had to go to. Like, that's crazy. So that's one of the things that I notice about this body kit. Like, it's crazy. And yes, they are through and through vents. I love this model. I bought it brand new a long time ago, and it's kind of getting hard to get now. So I'm glad I got a piece of this guy. Just bear with me here. So yeah, and then if we go to the front here, we see more vents. Like, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 vents. Just right here on the hood alone. That's crazy. And then we do have these canards, beautiful canards. And then we have the yellow tow hook here. I believe this is a metal piece. We have the GTR logo, which is a separate piece, and I just love how they did that decal. Sorry, it's not a decal, separate piece. We do have separate hood pins as well in the front, and we also have separate piece on, oh my gosh, I am a loss for words right now, windshield wiper. But yeah, very nice car, fairly similar on this side. I do love that it shows all the weight right here. I thought that was a cool feature. The mirrors look very fragile, like the side mirrors, but yeah, obviously, you know, you don't touch it. I've seen a lot of models that are sold used, and these are the ones that go missing, so yeah, just be very careful. Here's the interesting part of this. So this part does not have the other part on either side, which is, I believe, for fuel. Let's get back to that. So as you can see right there, right? If we go on this side, the Calsonic is like the font, I mean the lettering is complete. But this part here is basically a sticker. It's very I'm not sure how it was supposed to be. Was it an afterthought? Did they forget to take this piece off? Or is it supposed to be like a showpiece? I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be on the car like that. Like, it's crazy. Obviously, I'm not gonna tinker around with it. I'll leave it as it is. But yeah, it's just absolutely intriguing for me. Let me just take this off its mounting point. Bear with me here for a second. So if you look closer, see, it's just a sticker on it. See? I just don't want to touch from the inside, get my fingerprints on it or whatever. But yeah, like you can see, it's just a sticker. So I'm not sure how it's supposed to be. Did they forget to do something? I'm not sure. So yeah, that is a mystery for this model for me. I'm just gonna mount it back. So yeah, that is the weird one for this. So hit me up in the comments down below if you guys have this model, and is that how it's supposed to be? I don't know. I think it's like a show thing. But the part of like the N and the C and then the I obviously is going to be inside. I'm just not sure. Maybe because the decal is too fragile that they didn't have time to cut it or something like that. I don't know. And then the back here, we do have some separate hood pins again. Very nice big wing. Have the Calsonic logo on top and the bottom. And this time we have a red tow hook for the rear. And then we have nice details on the lenses. Nissan logo is not a decal, it's actually a separate piece. Have a embossed Skyline logo in the bottom here, and you have a very nice rear diffuser to finish it off. Alrighty, let's move to wheel detail. Very nice gloss white wheels. We have some rotor detail, vented rotors, and we also have decals on the brake caliper. It looks like the rear is slightly bigger. It's hard to tell. Like if you go to the rear, it looks a little bit bigger. Maybe the tire is a little bit bigger. I'm not sure. But yeah, it looks really good. Both vented as well in the rear, but less vents at the back. Because if you can compare, look at the rears and then the fronts. Nice lettering on the sidewall, and it's running on slicks. Now for the underside of the chassis, there's not much to see. Like, there is some aero detail that goes through underneath the car, but mostly it's one big panel. No engine detail here, no gearbox detail or transmission detail, nothing. Get a little bit of the fins from the back from the rear diffuser, and that's about it. And yeah, a little bit from the front. And yeah. Alrighty, last part. We get to my favorite part. See the interior detail. Unfortunately, as I mentioned earlier, this is a sealed body, so none of the doors, hood, or boot, trunk, whatever you want to call it, cannot open. So that's unfortunate. So we'll have to make do. Let's see if the light helps. Nope, that's horrible. Let's go without. Nice Nissan logo inside. Looks like it's supposed to be flocked to resemble that Alcantara look. Got nice buttons on it. The dash seems to be detailed. Some decals inside, number 12. Let's see if we can see a gauge cluster here. It's hard to get a good lighting part here. That's okay. Let's see what we can do here. And then if we can look at the seat here, we also have like that Alcantara look. Unfortunately, the seat belts are plastic, but we do have those nice Nismo logos on it, period correct, if I may add. We got a flock dash. It's got this nice flock look to it, actually. Got some buttons, and you can see the shifter there. You can see some fire suppression there as well. We also see a full roll cage in there. Nice carbon fiber details, by the way. And there's not much details at the back. But yeah, we do see more roll cage detail. And unfortunately, that's pretty much it for this. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Too bad the parts don't open. But anyways, if you liked the video, please consider to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.